Welcome back. Continuing the news. June 1 may mark the beginning of things going back to normal with the relaxing of work from home restrictions, but it also marks another norm with nature, the start of the Atlantic hurricane season. Now, with flooded streets in Montego Bay still fresh in some persons' minds, the municipal corporation is insisting that while physical distancing will impact some protocols, it is ready but still needs persons to cooperate.
St. James Street in Montego Bay, St. James, under several feet of water. That was in previous years, but with the hurricane season for an already problematic year, 2020 days away, basic preparation is again a concern for citizens. We put those concerns to Chairman of the St. James Municipal Corporation, Homer Davis, who says they are ready for June.
In the month of June, we normally commit all the resources that comes from the parochial revenue funds to focus on drains across the parish. I can't tell you exactly what the amount will be, but whatever the amount is, we will be looking at drains in all 17 parochial divisions and drains within the city of Montego Bay.
However, despite this annual drain cleaning effort, the parish capital sees flooding almost yearly, with both the north and south gullies overflowing their banks in the town. We asked why and what would be different this time round. Mr. Davis insists that is where he's depending on moral suasion to curb some nasty habits.
When they see the rain is falling and these gullies is carrying heavy load of water, they should not try to throw their discarded refrigerators, their discarded washing machine, their discarded mattresses, or other household furniture into the gully, because what you do is send it from top to the bottom. Those at the bottom will suffer from blockage and stuff like that.
The Municipal Corporation and the National Solid Waste Management Authority are collaborating to remove these bulky waste from communities. Nonetheless, Mayor Davis is trying to comfort residents by highlighting that the Parish Disaster Preparedness Coordinator is already on the ground preparing disaster shelters.
Because we will have to establish social distance in some of these shelters. Because remember, these are schoolrooms that might not be able to can accommodate more than a certain amount of people if they are to observe social distance. So we might have to be looking at additional shelters. So our disaster preparedness coordinator, she's now in the field doing just that.
He says while residents are still living on the banks of rivers and gullies, they usually cooperate with evacuation orders.